How to remove blemishes in Lensa. Got a great photo, but a surprise, Blemish is stealing the spotlight. Don't worry, Lensa makes fixing it incredibly simple. Let's dive right into it. First things first, let's open the Lensa app. Once you're inside it, import the photo that you want to edit. For that, simply tap on the plus button, which is right over here. Let's tap on it. And here I do have the photo with the blemish. Simply tap on it and import it. Let's give it a time. Okay, it's female. And once you're inside it, you will be seeing a lot of options at the bottom over here. From the options, simply scroll it and tap on the skin. It's right over here. Tap on it. Now you can edit the photo as you like. The first option is face retouch, which is the hero for this one. Let's scroll this like this, and you can see most of the blemishes have been removed. Can see the difference just like this, right? And here's another option called face matte. You can just scroll it and now make it the way you want. And there's neck retouch, ice bags, and skin tone. You can just edit it as you prefer. And that's it, a quick and easy way to get a smooth blemish-free skin in any photo. Give it a try in one of your own photos. What other Lensa features should we explore next? Let me know in the comments below. And lastly, if you are happy with this, don't forget to save the photo. That's all for today's video. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.